Battle Cats! I already made a few videos about Battle Cats, but let's go! I've already played a little bit of Battle Cats, Empire of Cats, Into the Future, Legends, yeah, blah, blah, blah. I've been playing for a while. I already beat those two. All I need to do... Hold on, first I'll show you my... All I need to do is beat the moon. I just need to beat the moon. And then I'll continue into the future. I'll show you my team. So, yeah, I got Midikeji, Black Knight Cyclops, Atlantis Logistics, Mamaland Pastaland. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. Mamaland, Mamaland, and Empress Cat. And then Super Rares, Sushi Cat, Nerd Cat, Fish Cat, Bath Cat, Angry Delinquent Cat, Juliet Cat, Surfer Cat. I love Surfer Cat. Nymph Cat and Sniper the Heavy. Then I just got these two, Wall Cat, Macho Cat. And I got Mythical Titan and Painter Cat, but yeah. I'm gonna do Moon right now. I'm gonna see if I can beat Moon. Okay. We gotta beat Moon. The battle begins. Let's go. Okay. Alright, there's no music. I'll fix that later. Come on. I need enough money. Surfer Cat. Surfer Cat. Let's go. No. No, he's beating my base. I'm gonna go quiet. I'm just gonna show you the battle real quick. second, the boss is here. Okay. I just gotta keep spawning meat shields. I just gotta keep spawning. Okay, now come back. Then we do this. Let's just smashing through everyone. No. Cyclops is like a character that, yeah, see, he actually does good damage. I need Black Knight Cyclops. I just realized no, Cyclops is dead. So close. Bro. Mama see, I'm calling her a girl because well, the mama it has to work. If we gotta lower its every come on, bro, that's your name. I need to conjure. Yeah, I need conjure. Oh no. No. Ad. Okay, I'm done watching the ad. Let's go. Why did it delete all the other guys? Why is Mama and gone? No! Why did he do? No! He two-shots Cyclops! He two-shots Cyclops! Okay, we are officially dead. Okay, I may have to use this probably will be. This will probably be like one of the only times Battle Pass. I have 1,000 cat food. I can spend some of it. No, I do. Oh, my face is so low. No, he's right there. No! Come on, just meat shield! Oh no! I died instantly. Okay. I'll use this last one. I did not see what it was. Come on. No, don't let Cyclops in front! Yes, let him make him stay in back. No, what did I do like nothing? Whoa, what is this thing? Oh, he's... Oh, yeah. I'm not gonna use it. He was at 42 HP. I'm gonna go. What are my meanders? I saw I got one earlier. I'm gonna do legend stages. So real quick, I'll do one of these. Every time I hope for a Nickelodeon. If you evolve it, isn't she like really good? If you evolve your cat. Well, yeah, I'm pretty sure. She becomes like photographer cat. Where's the guy looking for? Ooh. I'm gonna go to 11 stages now. I guess I'm gonna upgrade. After this, I'll I'll do legend stages after this. Can I upgrade one of my favorites? I'm gonna upgrade Atlantis because he's like something. He's an Uber that I can actually buy because he's only 2,000. Or yeah, he's 2,000. Legend stages now. I forgot. There's so much stuff I need to do before legend stages. I'm gonna go check out slug stages, whatever it's called. I'm gonna do Heavenly Tower actually. Okay. What does Slime to Victory have for me? Oh. No, I forgot this mistake. We got the Sloth, the Angel, the Dark, and the end of video.